Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to the first episode of this LiquidText course. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new episode. LiquidText is our favorite PDF reader because it is perfect for any research, whether it is for students or professionals. The app has several versions with different prices and capabilities. LiquidText Pro is the one-time purchase version of the app that costs $49.99. There are the two subscription versions, the Live and Live Unlimited. Both sync across your devices. There is also a 60% off student discount to help you get an affordable package if you're a student. This course will be using the Live Unlimited version of the app. So if some of the features we cover are not available in your app, please check the version you're using and its limitations. LiquidText homepage is simple, with a small sidebar on the left, which lists all the options you have for bringing in documents into the app. It also has a top toolbar with several tools, and the main part of the screen shows all the documents and folders you have in the app. For research, organization is very important. That is why you need to get it right from the start. You can organize your documents on the homepage in folders. To create a new folder, go to the new folder icon on the top toolbar, and the app will automatically create a new folder, which you can then long press to rename it. And that was a quick start for LiquidText. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode.